Hello 𝗕 viewers. Last class lo manam time series analysis topic complete chesamu. In this class we will start index numbers. So what are index numbers? So index numbers are the statistical devices which are used to measure the relative change in the phenomena. See here, let us consider the year 1990 and 2000 year. So you are buying a product. So in 1990 you need some x1 rupees to buy the product. In 2000, is x1 rupees sufficient to buy the same product? No, it will not be sufficient. So x1 plus some k. So the product is increased by some k rupees. So like this, how the price is changing? So the relative change in the price. Not only just price, because we use index numbers to calculate the relative changes in the quantity of the consumption or imports and exports, sales, and also the industrial productions. Now, these index numbers are broadly classified into three types, that is price index numbers, quantity index numbers, and the cost of living index numbers. So this price index numbers deals with the relative change in the price levels, and the quantity index numbers deals with the relative change in the quantity of consumption of the product, and also cost of living index numbers. This cost of living index numbers deals with how the family standards are there over the periods. Next, now we will see what are the basic terminologies and the notations in the index numbers. See, first P0. So this P0 is the price in base year. Now what is this base year? Base year is nothing but for which we are comparing our values. So let us consider in 1990 and in 2000. So this is a product 1, this is the same product 1, values x1 and some x1 plus some k. So we are considering, calculating the relative change of price from 1990 to 2000. So now this will become my base year and this will become my current year. Now P1 is nothing but price in current year. So this current year is the values which are present values. This base year is nothing but with which we are comparing. Now in the same way, Q0 quantity in base year, Q1 quantity in current year. P01, it is the price index of current year, with respect to base year. See here, notation is very important. Price index of the current year with respect to base year. Current year we represent it with 1 and the base year we represent it with 0. So price index of current year with respect to base year. Alage P10 is a price index of base year with respect to current year. So price index of the base year with respect to current year. The same way, Q01, it is the quantity index. It is a quantity index of current year with respect to base year. Alage Q10 is the quantity index of base year with respect to current year. The notation is very important. So 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay. Now we will see the measures of index numbers. So in these measures of index numbers we have two types, that is the unweighted index numbers and the weighted index numbers. In the unweighted index numbers we don't add any weights to our prices, we just calculate with the two methods we have simple aggregate and simple average of price relatives. Whereas in the weighted index numbers we will add weights to our prices and we calculate the weighted index numbers using the two methods, that is weighted aggregate and the weighted average of price relatives. Now we will see the formulas and what are involved in this weighted and unweighted index numbers. See, unweighted index numbers. So in this, the first method is simple aggregate method. So from this, first we'll find all the price index numbers, we will complete these price index numbers, and then we will go to quantity index numbers. Okay. Now the simple aggregate method. In the simple aggregate method, when you have the values year and the price values, base year, and we know P0 and P1, the prices in the base year and the prices in the current year. Then in that case, using the simple aggregate method, we will find the price index numbers using the formula summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. This is the price index numbers using the simple aggregate method. Now that is the formula for finding the price index numbers for using the simple aggregate method. Next, simple average of price relative. దీంట్లో మళ్ళీ మనకి two types ఉన్నాయి. Simple averages for arithmetic mean and simple average for geometric mean. So the formula for simple averages of arithmetic mean is given by price index number is equal to summation P1 by summation P1 by P0 into 100 denoted by n. N is nothing but the number of values we are considering. The simple averages for the simple average of price relative for geometric mean is given by Pi is the price index number, which is given by anti-log of summation log P1 by P0 into 100 divided by n. So this is the formula for simple average of price relative for geometric mean. Now, what is price relative? Price relative is nothing but P1 by P0 into 100. So this is also important formula you have to remember. So already చూసాం simple averages of price relatives. మొత్తం price relatives తోనే ఉంటుంది P1 by P0 into 100. So for geometric mean ఏంటి summation divided by n. For arithmetic mean ఏంటి summation divided by n. Geometric mean ఏంటి anti-log of summation log of P1 by P0 into 100 by n. Now next we'll see the weighted index numbers. So in this weighted index numbers, we introduce weights to the prices and we calculate the price index numbers. In this weighted index number also we have two types, that is weighted aggregate and the weighted averages of price relative. First we will see the weighted aggregate index numbers. We have several formulas in this weighted aggregate index numbers which are very, very important. First it is last payers price index numbers, and it is denoted by P01 LA, prefix LA, and it is given by summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So as I was saying, it is weighted aggregate price index numbers. We are adding weights as the quantity values in the base year for this last payers. Second one, past years price index number, it is denoted by P01 PA, that is past years price index number with for current year with respect to base year. It is given by summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. Here the weights we are adding is the quantity values in the current year, that is Q1. Third one is 𝗕𝗏𝗪 price index number. 𝗕𝗏𝗪 price index number, and it is denoted by P01 dB, and it is given by half into summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 by summation P1 Q0 into 100. That is nothing but the arithmetic mean of last pairs and past years. Next it is Fisher's, which is very, very important. Why it is important we will discuss later. P01F, which is given by under root summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into outside the root. Okay, this is nothing but the arithmetic mean of last pairs and this is nothing but the geometric mean of last pairs and past years. This is arithmetic mean of last pairs and past years. And next index number we have 𝗪𝘁𝗃𝗧, and it is denoted by P01ME, and it is given by summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into 100. The next we have Walsh price index number, and it is denoted by P01W, and it is given by summation P1 into W by summation P0 into W into 100, where this W is which is equal to under root Q0 into Q1. And next we have Cayley's price index number. It is denoted by P01K, and it is given by summation P1Q divided by summation P0Q into 100, where this Q is equal to Q0 plus Q1 by 2. Okay, these are the weighted aggregate price index numbers. Now the weighted average of price relatives. We already seen price relatives is nothing but P1 by P0 into 100. So in this weighted average of price relatives we have again the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. So the weighted average of price relative for arithmetic mean is given by summation W into P by summation W into summation WP by summation W, where this P is nothing but the price relatives. The formula is P1 by P0 into 100. This is the same formula. And for geometric mean we have summation W into log P by summation W. The same P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. What are we are saying? We are saying the unweighted index numbers for unweighted price index number, the simple aggregate method, that is summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. Next we have simple average for price relatives. In this we have two formulas for arithmetic mean and for geometric mean. For arithmetic mean we have summation P1 by P0 into 100 divided by n, and for geometric mean anti-log of summation log of P1 by P0 into 100 divided by n. And next we have weighted aggregate. In the weighted aggregate we have seen the 7 formulas total. So last place passes 𝗕𝗏𝗺, Fisher's, 𝗪𝗁𝗔𝗺, Walsh and Cayley's. These formulas are very important. Direct questions adutadi formulas nunchi. Next we have weighted average of price relatives. So in this we have two formulas for arithmetic mean, for geometric mean. So it is for arithmetic mean it is given by summation W by P, summation W into P by summation W, where P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100, and for geometric mean summation W into log P by summation W. The P is given by P1 by P0 into 100. Now we will see the same formulas for quantity, that is nothing but the quantity index numbers, QIN. So in this also we have the same. First is unweighted and second is unweighted, and second we have weighted. In the unweighted we have again simple aggregate, and we have simple average of price relatives, and ikkada kuda ante simple aggregate and not simple aggregate, it is we have weighted aggregate and weighted averages, average of price relatives. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదైతే ఫార్ములాస్ డిస్కస్ చేసామో ఈ ఫోర్ సెట్ అన్వెయిటెడ్లో సింపుల్ అగ్రిగేట్, సింపుల్ యావరేజెస్, వెయిటెడ్లో వెయిటెడ్ అగ్రిగేట్ అండ్ వెయిటెడ్ యావరేజెస్. ద ఫోర్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్ములాస్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఫర్ quantity index numbers also. We'll see in a simple averages it is given by P01, which is equal to summation Q1 by summation Q0 into 100. సో జస్ట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫార్ములాస్లో ఎక్కడైతే మనం P1 పెట్టామో అక్కడ Q1 పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్లో Q0 పెట్టుకున్న టైంలో అక్కడ Q0 పెట్టుకోవాలి. సేమ్ ఫార్ములాస్. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ మనకి అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్, జామెట్రిక్ మీన్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ బై సమ్మేషన్ P1 by P0 into 100 divided by capital N. For geometric mean it is antilog of summation log of P1 by P0 into 100 divided by N. ఇక్కడ weighted aggregate లో మనకి సేమ్ ఇందాక మనం ల్యాస్పేస్, పాస్చీస్, డార్బిష్-బౌలి, ఫిషర్స్, మార్షల్-ఏజ్వర్త్ అండ్ కేలీస్ ఎలా డిస్కస్ చేసామో అన్ని దీనికి వెయిటెడ్ క్వాంటిటీ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్లో కూడా ఉంటాయి. సో వెయిటెడ్ యావరేజ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైస్ రిలేటివ్స్ దీంట్లో అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ అండ్ జామెట్రిక్ మీన్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ బై సమ్మేషన్ W into Q by summation W. Summation W, where this Q is given by Q1 by Q0 into 100. For geometric mean, we have antilog of summation W into log P by log Q by summation W, and Q is same here, Q1 by Q0 into 100. Now we'll see the weighted aggregate for quantity index numbers. First one the same, last payers, and it is given by summation Q1 into P0 divided by summation Q1 into Q0 into P0 into 100. Here we are adding weights as prices of the base year. Past cheese it is given by summation, okay, it is denoted by Q01 PA it is denoted with Q01 LA, last payers. And it is, for past is the formula is given by summation Q1 P1 by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Here we are adding the weights of prices in the current year. It is denoted by Q01 by Q01 passages PA. Third one, 𝗪𝘁𝗵𝗨, and the formula is given by summation, same arithmetic mean of first two divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into half into 100, which is denoted by Q01 𝗪𝘁𝗵𝗨. The fourth is Fishers, and it is given by under root over, this is the geometric mean of last pairs and postures divided by summation Q0 P0 into summation Q1 P1 by divided by summation Q0 P1 into outside the square, which is denoted by Q01F. Next, fifth one, Marshall-Edgeworth quantity index number. It is denoted by Q01ME, and it is given by summation Q1 P0 plus summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P0 plus summation Q0 P1 into 100. Sixth one, Walsh quantity index number. It is denoted by Q01W. It is given by summation Q1W by summation Q0W, where this W is given by under root P0 into P1. Seventh one, Cayley's quantity index number. It is denoted by Q01K, and it is given by summation Q1 into P divided by summation Q0 into P, where this P is the arithmetic mean of P1 and P0. So these are the weighted quantity index numbers. So the formulas which I have discussed till now are very, very important, which there is a direct chance of asking questions. The direct formulas he may ask in the examinations. Now in the next class we will discuss about the adequacy of the index numbers. అంటే ఏ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్, మనకి ఇన్ని ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఏ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తే మనకి కరెక్ట్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి, ఏది బెస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్. అలాగే వీ హ్యావ్ స్పెషల్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్ విచ్ ఇస్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ అంటారు. వీ హ్యావ్ స్పెషల్ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్ దట్ ఈస్ వాల్యూ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్. And this value index number is given by summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q0 into 100. This is one of the important formula you have to remember. So the remaining topics, the adequacy of the index numbers and the cost of living index numbers, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.